Hello, this is Chris from Scobie IT with a quick video tutorial today on how to use Excel in side-by-side mode. This is quite handy, especially if you have a couple of different spreadsheets that you like to work on. But for the example today, I've just created a couple of quick spreadsheets just with a couple of different numbers and visual differences, just so you can identify which one's which. The best example I've found of this so far is, for instance, if you want to reference information off another Excel spreadsheet at the same time. You can do this with different programs as well, but it works slightly differently, but I'll show you the way you do it within Excel first. So instead of having to flick between the two windows, what you can do is if you click up on the View button at the very top of the window, and then using the Arrange All button, any Excel spreadsheets that you have open at that time, you can have visible. So if you've got 2 or 3, you can obviously have them all visible at the same time. And then you have a series of options. Whether you prefer to have it horizontal or vertical is entirely up to you. There is another way you can do it by using the View side by side, and what this will do, it will automatically activate the synchronous scrolling, which is very handy if you've got 2 identical spreadsheets but you've got different numbers, for instance. Then it will scroll to the same position at the same time. And again, this works with either view, whether you have it horizontal, tiled, or you can have it cascade if you've got that many spreadsheets open, but again, it's entirely up to you. The other alternative, which does also work with Word and other programs, you can actually have them in 2 separate windows, which obviously provides different advantages. The main pitfall people have is that they have a tendency to open documents by double clicking on them on the desktop. Using this method with Excel 2007 onwards, I believe, is that it opens in one instance. So what you do, if you double click to change spreadsheet, it keeps them in the same place. So as you'll see, it will literally just swap between the windows regardless of the location. So in order to set it up so that you can move them independently, you have to open Excel first and then open the spreadsheet you'd like within it. And then obviously do that for both of them. So within this, you can click and drag up at the top where the title is and drag it to the edge of the window, and there you go. You can use this for Word, Internet Explorer, Adobe Reader and that sort of thing. This was a quick tutorial from Scobie IT. Thank you very much.